going to be any different? Yes, it's at least started with a positive bias when you look at the advance decline ratio. So there are 1,000 stocks advancing to almost 500 stocks declining. The Sensex and the Nifty are pretty much flat, so it's not a big move that we are witnessing there. At least the mid-cap and small-cap indices have started a bit in the green, and that itself is a good solace coming in. The metals pack, that deserves mention because metals are starting as the top sectoral gainers. So JSW Steel, Hindalco, Welspun Corp, JSL, Tata Steel, these are the big stocks to watch out for. Even SBI for that matter is starting well in the green with a gain of almost 1%. Some other PSUs as well like Maharashtra Bank, Central Bank is also that deserves mention at least to begin the trading session with. In terms of the other gainers, HDFC Bank is in the green. On the losing side, M&M is down 2.5%. Remember that large trade is expected today, wherein the family office would be looking at selling some stake, and that's already happened with that 0.8% block deal. That's clearly playing out and having a stock impact as well. ICICI Bank, Reliance are some of the other heavyweights we're watching out for. From the broader markets, it's clearly Sirma SGS that deserves mention. A 10% up move after CLSA initiated coverage on that counter. The target price is closer to 700 rupees. Let's pull up Sirma SGS because that will tell you that that stock is up almost 10%. You also have iifl, which is bouncing back quite smartly. So after that last couple of days of being locked in lower circuit, iifl Finance has suddenly opened with a gain of around 7%. IRB, Data Patterns, Avas, these are some of the other names which are holding up in the green, but the city gas distribution space continues to be under pressure. So IGL is down 4%, NLC India, whereas in that OFS is expected is down about 3%, and GR Infrastructure is the other one. But I think Aisha Awan, the headline of course is that we have hit the fresh record high at the index level. Sensex is close to 74,100 and Nifty touched that mark of 22,500 but retraced a bit from there.
Seeing private banks actually participate or follow through from where they left it off yesterday. At least I can see ICICI Bank is a bit in the red. HDFC Bank though still holding out. Axis, not a meaningful move coming in there. But again, these are just early days. Let's see how we actually build on towards the latter part of today's trading session. I want to see what HAL is up to as well. There's been a contract value which has been revised to about 5,000 odd crore rupees. That's almost doubled from that 2,700 it was earlier signed at. HAL is seeing some more uptake, 32.73 on that stock as we speak right now. But Kunal, what's the market construct looking like? It seems like a nothing sort of start, although the headline number is at a record high.
Well, yeah, I think it's a flattish kind of a start for both the indices. But, after yesterday's recovery of more than 200, 250 points for the Nifty from the intraday lows, I think even a flat start could probably be a better or a soothing space for the markets. Now, interestingly, the metal stocks are looking attractive. Tata Steel is something which I've been bullish on. So I think at current levels of 150-52 for Tata Steel looks as an attractive trade in the near term. Would look out for targets in the range of 160 plus for the stock.
Right. Naresh, what about your first trades? What is it that you're punching in?
So Concor looks interesting around this 970 levels. Could go forward and break out over the next few sessions.